Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the previous year question paper of RRB Group D, which was held on 24th August 2022 in shift 3. In last live session, we discussed some questions in the same paper. In this live session, we are going to discuss some more questions in the same paper. Okay, the questions are based on arithmetic aptitude and reasoning. Okay, right. See the question. 6 friends, Arun, Suresh, Rahul, Priyanka, Dilan and Hiba took a test online. All of them secured different marks. In the test. Suresh scored more than Priyanka. Suresh scored more than Priyanka, but less than Arun. Means Arun scored more than Suresh. Okay, right. Hiba scored. Okay, Hiba scored least marks. Okay, Hiba scored least marks. Dilan scored less than Rahul. Okay, so Dilan scored less than Rahul, means Rahul greater than Dilan. Okay, right. Arun scored more than Priyanka. So here we, according to this, we can consider Arun scored more than Priyanka and Rahul. Okay, Arun scored more than Priyanka and Rahul. See, what is the question is, who among the 6 scored the most? Ante what it means, who scored more marks? Okay, if you see that Arun is greater than Suresh, Priyanka, Rahul, Dilan, and they given Hiba is least. So according to these inequalities, okay, so we can say Arun secured more marks. Okay, so see here, Arun is secured more than Suresh. So Arun secured more than Priyanka. Okay, Arun secured more than Rahul. Arun secured more than Dilan according to this information, and they given Hiba is the least secured marks candidate. Okay, so according to this information, we can give the correct answer. Who among the 6 scored most means Arun scored most. Okay, option 3 itself correct. Okay, right. Next question. See, the question is, Rachna can eat 21 oranges in 60 minutes. Okay, so she wants to know how many minutes. Okay, she wants to know how many minutes it would take her to eat 35 oranges. Okay, 35 oranges. So in how many minutes? Okay, at the same pace. Okay, so what are the time taken for each orange when he is eaten 21 oranges? Okay, at same pace. See here, what is the time taken for each orange to eat? Okay, so see here, so 60 by 21 is the time taken to eat each orange. So this is the time taken for one orange. Okay, so they want to eat 35 oranges. What is the question? How many minutes it would take to eat her 35 oranges at same pace? Just multiply with 35. So 60 by 21 is the time taken to each orange. Okay, so if you see that 7 3s, 7 5s, 3 1s, 320s. So it take 100. So this is in terms of minutes. Okay, 100 minutes. Okay, so she wants to know how much, how many minutes means 100 minutes would take 5 oranges. Okay, so option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Next question. See the question here. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 hours and 20 hours respectively. Okay, so A can fill a tank in 15 hours, B can fill the same tank in 20 hours. Okay, so while third pipe C can empty the full tank in 30 hours. Okay, so C can empty the tank, so I am writing in 30 hours. Okay, so why? Because this is emptying the tank, so I am writing minus 30. So here A can fill the tank in 15 hours, B can fill the tank in 20 hours, while C can empty the full tank in 30 hours. Okay, what is our question? If all the three pipes operate simultaneously, how much time will take, how much time will the tank initially emptied to be filled? Okay, so see the question. If all the three pipes operate simultaneously, in how much time will the tank initially empty be filled? So how much time to be filled if three are working? Okay, see here. So if you see that A can fill 1 by 50th part in 1 hour. Okay, so plus 1 by 20. This is the time taken to fill if both A and B are working. So but here C is emptying, so 1 by 30. So this is the time taken to fill the tank. Okay, so take the LCM here. What is the LCM of 15, 20, 30? So by seeing itself we can say the LCM is 60. Okay, so 60, 15 fours plus 23s minus 32s. Okay, so 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 2 5. So 5 by 16 means 5 ones, 5 12s. So it takes 12 hours. Okay, it takes 12 hours. Okay, right. See, the option 1 is correct. Okay, so in 12 hours time will the tank is initially empty be filled. Okay, so this is the time taken for A, time taken for B, this is the time taken to empty the tank for C. So these are the formula according to the given question. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30, we get 5 by 60, nothing but 1 by 12. This is the 12 hours can be taken if all three pipes are opened simultaneously. Okay, right. Next question. See the question. A's father's age is 7 times that of his son. Okay, 3 years from now the age of the father will be 5 times of his son's age. So what is the present age of father? Okay, see here, without giving any formula, by seeing the options we can able to give the correct answer. This question was asked in RRB Group D. Okay, see here, the A's age is 7 times that of his son's age. Okay, so this is the present age of father. A's father age is 7 times that of his son's age. Okay, so this is the present age of father. So 3 years from now the age of father will be 5 times that of his son's age. So what is the present age of the father? If you see the option, which option has the 7 multiple. Okay, if we see that which option has 7 multiple, 45 is a not 7 multiple, and here if you see that 42 is the 7 multiple and 39 is a not 7 multiple and not multiple of 7. So by seeing itself you can able to answer the correct option. Okay, why? Because here the options are only 7 multiple is 1, that is 2. Okay, all right. So or you can do that like this. So this is the respective ratio of father and his son. After 3 years, the ratio becomes 5:1. Okay, so 7x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 15. Okay, right. See here, 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. So we need to find the age of father. Age of father is 7x. So 7 into 6 we get 42. Okay, so option 2. This is the general method we solved. But in some cases, if you want to save the time, just look on the options, which option will satisfy the question. Okay, in some cases it is useful. Okay, so option 2 is correct according to the question. Okay, right. Next question. See the question. The value of root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so see the value ends with 1 means if the perfect square of ends with 9 or 1, all the options are having 9 ending or ending with 1. So if you see that, if you focus on first option, suppose I am taking 1200 square. So 12 square is 144. So 1200 square is so 144 0000. Okay, so this is less than this value. Okay, option 1 is wrong. If you see that this value is 121 square means approximately I am taking 120 square. This is the value of 14400. So this value is more than this value. Okay, so if you see that 140 square I am taking approximately. Okay, if you see that 140 square is 140 square is 19600. This value is so too much larger than this value. And see here I am taking 1100 square is 121 0000. Okay, so this value is approximately near to the this value. So the rough checking. So by seeing 1200 square, the number is too much larger than this number. So this is not correct. If you see that 120 square, the number is very smaller than this number. This is also not correct. If you see that this number is also very smaller than this number. And if you see that double one into double one, we get 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Okay, why? Because 11 square is 121. 1100 square is 121 0000. So this value is approximately equal to this value. So by seeing option, we can click the answer. Option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question. 6 boxes A, B, C, D, E and F are arranged in a vertical column. Okay, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, see here vertical order. Okay, so 6 boxes are kept in 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, right. See that B is placed at second position from the top. Okay, from the top B is placed from the second position from the top. Only D is placed between A and B. Only D is placed between A and B. We have two possibilities like this. Okay, so only, see here, only D is placed between A and B. Okay, so right, they are placing in vertical position means, so A, D, B, or we can see the options like this, A, B, D, A. We have two cases for this. Okay, right. So E is at the position below D. Okay, see here, E is at one of the position below D. So E is here, we can get here E here. Okay, right. And there is only one box between D and E. Okay, yes, there is one box between D and E. F is not at bottom. Okay, F is not at bottom. If you see that whatever position we take, either case 1 or case 2, okay, if you see that 4 positions are filled, okay, so 4 positions are filled, F is not at bottom, here 1, 2, 3, 4, so we can write F is here. Okay, right. See the question, what is the question? Which box is placed at second? Okay, right. Once again see the question carefully, you can able to answer correct question. So A, B, C, D, E and F are arranged in a vertical column but not necessarily in same order. So B is placed at second position. So B is placed at second position from top, and see here only D is placed between A and B. Okay, see here D is placed between A and B. Okay, right. And see here E is at one of the position of below D. Okay, right. And there is only one box between E and D. So we can see here, we can place is here E. Why? Because only one position is pending between E and D. F is not at bottom. Okay, we can fill only A, B, C. C is there at bottom. Okay, see once again, see here we can give the correct answer. So 6, B is placed at second position from the top. S, only D is placed between A and B. Okay, only D is placed between A and B. E is not at position below, E is at one of the position below D. Yes, below D is there E. There is only one box between E and D. Yes, there is only one box between E and D. F is not at bottom means F is at the top. Which box is placed at second position from the bottom is E is placed. So option 2 is correct. Okay, from the bottom E is placed. Right, next question. Right. See the question. Which of the following numbers will replace the question mark in the given series? The series is 9, 10, 22, 69, 280, question mark. Okay. So for a same type of series we explained in previous live sessions. See here, 9 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay. Next, 10 into 2 plus 2. 10 into 2 we get 20, plus 2 we get 22. So 22 into 3 plus 3. 22 into 3 we get 66. Plus 3 we get 69. Okay, so 69 into 4 plus 4. So 69 into 4 we get 276 plus 4 we get 280. So 280 into 5 plus 5. So what is the answer? Just comment the answer in comment section. Okay, so into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5. Just comment your answer in comment section. Okay, right. Next, see the question. Find the amount Ravi needs to return to Monu. Okay, find the amount Ravi needs to return to Monu if he had borrowed rupees 3000 from Monu at 4% per annum compound interest compounded annually. So how much amount that Ravi needs to return to Monu if the compound interest taken at a rate of 4% per annum for 2 years. For 2 years. So, just by using percentages, we can give the answer. So, for the first year, what is the 4% of 3000? 10%, 1%, 4 3s 12. So, for the first year, the amount is 13120. Okay, right. For the second year, the interest is 120 and the interest is calculated on interest. So, 1.2 into 4, we get 1.2 into 4, we get 4.8. So, 4.8. So, 8, 4, 2, 124 is the interest is calculated on amount and principal. Just 1, 2, 4, 8, add this value. So, 8, 4, 4, 2, 3. So, for it is case for 2 years. Just calculate a simple interest or whatever interest here for 4%. And what is the 4% of 13120 is 128. So, the answer amount is 3244.8. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next, see the question here. Sujata is standing in a park facing east direction. Okay, so north, south, east, west. Okay, Sujata is standing in a park facing east direction. Okay, direction sense question. See that first of all I will write directions. Okay, east, west, north, south. Okay, right. See the question. She first of all she is standing in a park facing east direction. Okay, she is standing in east direction. Okay, she then turns 135 degrees anti-clockwise. Okay, 135 degrees anti-clockwise. So, anti-clockwise this side. Okay, so 135 degrees. So, here to here we have 90 degrees and here to here between 45. So, this is the degrees of 135. So, here to here we have 90 and here to here 45. So, we get 135 degrees. Okay, 135 degrees here. Okay, then after that she turns 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So, here to here middle 90 degrees. Okay, right. Anti-clockwise, then she turns for 45 degrees clockwise. So, here they turn 45 degrees clockwise. What means here. Okay, right. So, in which direction she is facing means now she is facing north, west direction. Okay, option 3 is correct. Okay, once again see, she is standing in east. At first she turned 135 degrees means here they come here. Then after she moves 90 degrees means she get from here. This is the 90 degrees. So, here to here, here 45, here 45. So, 95. Then again clockwise she moves 45 degrees. So, the answer is west. Okay, right. Right. See the question here. Root 625 minus root 324 plus 33 square. Okay. So, we know the values. Root 625 is 25 square and root 324 is 18. Square is 33 square. If you see that, so 9, 9, so 3, 3, 9, 18. So, 8, 9, 1089. Okay, 33 square is 1089. So, what is the value? 1089 minus 18, we get 1071 plus 25. Okay, 1071 plus 25, we get 1096. 1096. Option 2 is correct. Okay. Right. See the question. Study the given diagram carefully and answer the question. the numbers in the different sections indicate the number of persons. So movie lovers, fathers, engineers. What is the question? See here, how many such fathers are there who are also movie lovers but not engineers? Okay, so movie lovers but not engineers. So see how many such fathers, this is the fathers, okay, how many such fathers are who are also movie lovers, okay, but not engineers. So fathers who are also movie lovers is 38. Option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next. Right, see the question. Each of digit in the number 318924 is arranged in descending order from left to right, from left to right, from left to right. Okay, the position of how many digits will remain unchanged. Okay, the position of how many digits will remain unchanged as compared to that in the original number. So here the given number is 31892. So 318924765. So we need to arrange in a descending order. Okay, so 9 is there, 8 is there, 7 is there, 6 is also there, 5 is also there, 4, 3, 2, 1. So only one digit will remain unchanged. No other digits are remain unchanged. Only one digit. So option 4 is correct. Okay, right. So these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D. Okay. So if you have any doubts regarding the arithmetic aptitude and reasoning in RRB Group D question paper, so just comment your doubts in comment section. We will definitely rectify your doubts. Okay, right. Thank you for watching.